Hey guys, let's dive into some fresh AI madness. Two new models just dropped, FLUX.2 and Nano Banana Pro, and their photorealism is insane. Today we're testing them, comparing them, and maybe choosing a winner. We give them the same prompt and check the results. Let's start simple. Bug first, there is something exciting I need to share with you guys. Look, 2025 is almost over and we're all doing the same thing again, waiting for January 1st like it's some magic reset button. But the truth is simple, you don't need a new year to start a new skill. AI was one of the hottest skills of 2025 according to the World Economic Forum, but most people still didn't learn it, which puts them at risk of falling behind or even being replaced. You still have 45 days to fix that and walk into 2026 smarter, more employable, and actually ahead. And you can do it in just 2 days. Let me show you something that makes it stupid simple. The 2-day live AI mastermind training by Outskill. It's happening this Saturday and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. EST. Outskill is the world's first AI-focused education platform, rated 4.9 on Trustpilot, and more than 10 million professionals worldwide have already attended their sessions. Marketing, finance, engineering, data, all mentored by AI experts from companies like Microsoft and Nvidia. And because of their year-end holiday offer, you can join absolutely free instead of paying the usual $395. This isn't just another tool tutorial, it changes the way you work. You'll learn how to simplify your daily tasks with AI, build AI agents that plan and automate your workflow, design automations that connect Sheets, Notion, CRMs, and save hours, and you'll walk out with ready-to-use AI systems for your job, business, or freelance work. And the best part is learning how to monetize these skills. Outskill learners have launched AI-powered businesses that pull in $4,000 to $5,000 a week. And if you attend both days, you also get bonuses worth $5,000, including the Prompt Bible, the Roadmap to Monetize AI, and a personalized AI toolkit builder. If you want to give someone a real Christmas gift this year, give them this chance to upgrade their career for 2026. Seats are limited, so grab yours through the link in the description and join the WhatsApp community to stay updated before everything kicks off. A scene with different materials on a table to see how well each model handles textures. Both models did great, rich details and solid textures, but personally, Nano Banana Pro edges ahead. It follows the prompt a bit more precisely. Next challenge, a futuristic cyberpunk street. Nano Banana delivers a super realistic, dynamic city vibe, like an actual photo from the future. FLUX.2 leans harder into sci-fi styling, but the image feels more static. Still cool, but different. Moving on. Now let's see how artistic they are. We asked both models to draw several variations of the same room. Both performed impressively, but Nano Banana messed up the third variation. FLUX.2, on the other hand, nailed it. The brushstroke style literally looks hand-painted. Next test, a gymnast mid-air performing a complex acrobatic move. And wow, both outputs look so real you start wondering, is this even AI anymore? Stunning work. Now let's see how they handle logic and text. Quality is fine on both, but this time Flux wrote some strange nonsense words, not ideal. And finally, an overcrowded marketplace full of people. Once again, both crushed it. Great detail, great contrast, great composition. So tell me in the comments, who won this battle today? And one last question to think about. If AI can generate images this real, how long do traditional photographers have left?